Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Lane J.
And I'm Aldi.
And today we're just hanging out, okay?
We're partying downtown.
Partying. It is March 9th, 2022. Her grandma and grandpa just came, so the place was cleaned. So yeah, the place is clean. Everything's good. I wish I recorded a little bit because we need some clips of your grandma and grandpa. What? I feel like we do. That's kind of like I just love recording people, so we kind of have memories with them. That's my favorite thing, you know.
No.
I just want to show them Miss Molly Molly May, the one who is pregnant. I'm just kidding. She just got her ovaries taken out. We got her on camera. Don't tell her, but we're recording her. Allison, get the camera up. See if it's on her. Oh, she's moving.
That was you.
Oh.
Wait, can you shut the door?
Look, we can watch Molly. Okay, we're watching her. All right, we gotta lock her in there. We gotta put them in 2 separate rooms because she just had surgery, taking out her ovaries. And I don't want Polo to roughhouse with her. I don't think Polo will obviously do anything bad. Oh, he might lick it and stuff. There's Polo. Polo's gonna have this whole place. Actually, Polo, come in here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, Polo. Come here. Gotcha, bitch.
Gotcha, bitch.
Can you hold this really quick?
You broke it, Clay.
Ready? Again? That's good enough, right?
Yeah, he's not okay.
I think he's too dumb to figure out how to get out of this. There you go. That's how we locked him, because that thing's broken. We found it on the side of the curb anyways. But that's him. He's just going to be locked up in here. Only because sometimes he likes to get to the garbage. I know there's nothing in there, but I don't want him to, like, try to mess anything up in here. But yeah, we're going to go. Okay, guys, I need to show you something. Let me just get right here. So I saw this on TikTok. I've never seen this in my entire life. I saw this on TikTok the other day. So, I'm going to put my car. Okay, I'm actually. So, do you know how you can put your car up and down like this? You can also put it out and in. So, if you need it closer to you or farther. I never knew that. Did any of you guys know that? Comment down below. I never knew that till I watched that one TikTok. I'm going fast.
Oh, shit.
I never knew that until today. Oh, the other day. Also, that's a Dodge, isn't it? That's a Dodge Avenger.
That is so
That's a Dodge.
pretty.
That's my car. Dude, I want that baby. That was a purple Dodge Avenger.
That's really
That is hot. That is hot. I'd rather have a purple one than a white one. That was hot. I would definitely take it. But yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. See you guys. Love you. All right, we're at Aldi's. This is everything we have. Can I show them really quick? So we got muffins, blueberry muffins right there. And then we got some raisin cinnamon. We got some onions. Granola bars. We got chocolate milk syrup. We got, what do you call those?
Pizza bites?
Corn.
What?
What's that? Carrots.
Oh.
We got pizza bites. We got ground beef. We got some green peppers. We got some pizza.
One thing that we have out today was
Oh, I wanted spaghetti. I want spaghetti today. Then we got my bagels. I've actually been loving bagels. Look what I got. I love, what is this called again? Hard salami. I love salami. This is my favorite noodles. We got some noodles and then we got some pasta sauce. So yeah, that's everything in the cart so far. What?
Look, that big package is like your type of things that you like. But
Oh, that is my favorite. For $4, is it worth it? Look at that. That's all my, like, this is my favorite cookies. That's my favorite cookies, guys. I like that. Should I get that for $4, guys? Is it worth it? What do you think, Allison?
But also, look, so this one is 4 ounces for like $2.50. This one is 17 ounces.
So is it worth it?
If you want it, but it's not just that. So does it show us what many cookies it has?
Oh, we're in people's way.
So it also has like these weird things. I don't know if you like any of
Well, it
these.
has chocolate over it, though. Everything has
That
chocolate
looks
over
like a
it.
dried up apple.
What? No. We'll think about it. We're at the bread aisle right now because Allison's looking at her bread. The stuff I want, I really want something like this, but also for 2 slices, I'm not going to pay $4 for it. They are cute, but I don't want a small one. Yeah. This is the bagels I bought right here, and they're $1.49. All pretty cheap. Allison got her McMuffins for $1.15. cheap less, get more food. See, like look, these are another ones. These are for skinny people, but they're way more expensive. Allison, what are you doing in the corner? Awkward. Are you good down there? No blueberries?
Honestly, will I ever eat Peter Rabbit Farms carrots?
I don't know. It's up to you. I'm not gonna eat any, but you can. So they're only. See how cheap we are? Put it back and it's only 90 at 28, whatever.
Here's the lettuce.
Allison's like, dang, lettuce is cheap. Cabbage. Some guy was like, that's cabbage. All right. So you guess. What did you guess again?
43.
And I guess 64, 65. All right. Let's guess. Let's check. So how much was it overall?
$41.56, and it honestly will probably last us. This doesn't look like a lot of food, guys, but this makes 2 suppers for us already.
Yeah.
So I think it'll last us like 2 weeks.
Yeah, I think so too. Here you go. Oh, you want to put it in? Awesome.
I do want a blueberry muffin.
And do you want to go to Sam's Club or not? I'm good. Okay, we can go back home.
You ran away. I got scared.
Oh, I went to try to find some things to hold our food in. Oh my. That's expensive, guys. Like, I fucking love salami, but they put like $4 for this. That's crazy.
It's honestly probably cheaper to go to Subway and just ask for salami.
Yeah, just keep asking for pieces of salami. Is it heavy?
It's a little heavy. But I want a blueberry muffin.
You gotta bring the blueberry muffins up front.
I'm just gonna take one.
Alright, we gotta go back because if you guys don't have an Aldi's, they connect your quarter to it. You see the quarter in there? So we gotta get my quarter back. So here we go. You just put this inside this. Boom. And my quarter should pop out. Boom. There's my quarter. Alright, let's go. We got home, we got our food, we got the dogs, the happy dogs, happy dog, happy dog. Happy dog. Molly, she got cut open, you know, for surgery. And she puked last night. Baby girl puked. She was not happy. Look at happy dog. Hey, Molly. Can't be doing too much, okay, baby girl? You're like, did you buy us anything? You guys want a treat? Is that what? Do you want a treat? Yes or no, Polo? Treat? Treat, Polo? Polo, treat. You want a treat? You want a treat? You want a treat? You want a treat? Alright, come on. Let's get you a treat. Come here. That's a doggy treat. I got these. Here. Molly. No, that one's yours. Molly. Polo, eat yours. Damn it. Allison, can you answer a question? Why does the room smell like farts?
Okay, stop.
Ew. Alright, I'm making spaghetti for supper, so Lego. Alright, gonna bring this over to Allison and she's gonna rate it. You ready, Allison? Oh, taking off your dentures.
That was a lot.
If you don't eat it, you don't eat it.
Sit in. Have you tried it all mixed in yet?
No.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
You scared? It might hurt your feelings.
Kinda, maybe. What do you think?
I'm gonna try another bite, so.
Oh.
I would say
What?
3 out of 10.
Really? Does it really suck that bad?
No, I would say 9 out of 10. I think it needs more sauce.
Well, I can get you more sauce.
No, because I need you to have sauce too.
Oh, Ellison, that whole thing is full of sauce.
Why'd you
look.
put so little?
I didn't know how much. I don't really like that much sauce. I didn't know.
No.
I'll add more sauce. I have a whole
More sauce, I'll
container.
give it 10 out of 10.
Okay. I'll add more of the tomato sauce that I bought right
I'm
there.
not paying for it though.
Cause I made that. I brought some tomato sauce too. I'll add a little bit more sauce in there for you. Some of the red sauce. I don't really like too much sauce, so that's why I didn't put too much. There you go. I added more sauce for you.
Oh my god, I was confused, and I'm still confused.
What?
What is that? Is it hot?
No, that's just tomato sauce. I bought that whole container of tomato sauce. I just added some onions and stuff into it, garlic and.
Okay.
But that's literally just tomato sauce. Tastes okay?
I'll go with 10 out of 10 now.
Okay, there you go.